Yo, what's up, guys? Today, finally we're live. Let's wait for 5 minutes and see is anyone comes or not. Before that, I wanted to say that how many persons can come here must become. It can help all of them, and if around 80 to 90 students come here today in this live stream, then my mentors that guide me, and I has told you that I got mentorship from the MAANG. That mentors mentored them. But yep, you heard right. If around 90 to 100 students come, and around then they have promised me that they will give mentorship to all to some of them, but for that it must be that some of them must become remembered. So let's see and wait for 5 minutes. Remember, if no one comes, and then we will start from this three subscribers, three live students only. We will not wait because I um, I have taught that if a single person comes, then also you have to tell everything uh, that is taught to me. So remember that I will taught. It will not see that one person comes or two or 100 or how many comes. But remember, if more than 80 students comes, only then you all get the chance that you get the mentorship by the MAANG. Now if you are thinking what is MAANG, then I wanted to tell you that MAANG is the group of five big MNCs, in which one is Microsoft and one is Google as well. Yup, you heard right. So let's wait for 5 more minutes, and we will start at 5:10 or 4:10. Let's wait. Till that time, I wanted to request that please subscribe and like and share, so that everyone get the chance to get mentorship from from directly by the MAANG employees. Yes, they are the MAANG employees. They are the live MAANG employees. They are not any that person who have left the MAANG. They are already working there. So please, it's a chance for you all. As I can see, there are two. Three students watching right now. Let's wait for 5 more minutes. 5 minutes. Okay. Okay then. Let me introduce myself. I am Gaurajinder. I am pursuing BCSC, that is Bachelor's of Engineering from Chitkara University, Punjab. I am in third year, and I have done internship from Microsoft as well, and also done a freelance project, uh, in which I have built a, a website for the NGO, and it's not actually NGO; it's a trust. The name of the trust is the Taropan Trio Charitable Trust. And they requested us to build a website for farmers, so that uh, for the farmers, and also admin portals and query forms and all of the features they have told to us, and we have built. Once again, why- wait, is all right? Okay. Uh, so, is there have any of course? Yes. Okay then, the time is up, and the and we will start now. Please share if you can, uh, and as much students can come, as much person can come, must come here. It can help all of them. It's a guarantee from my side. And if you are thinking that you can see this video after the live stream, then I wanted to tell you that it will be not. I guess so, because not that much students has come that I have expected. Many of them I has requested, or you can say I got messages that uh, I will join, but none of them I guess so have joined till now. So as I promise, I will start now. Let me share my screen and let me tell you everything from the scratch. So let's open this. I will taught you everything by explaining you each and everything on eraser.ai, by creating uh, eraser AI, by creating, where is eraser? Here is that. Let me log in here now. Yep, there is that green world that I have built the system design here. So if none of the you knows about, if some of you knows about, then it's okay. But if you not know about eraser.ai, io, or this website, then I wanted to tell you that this is a website where you can create a system design of the project. Like this, I have built for Versal. Actually, I have planned to build a Versal type website in the past. At that time, I have built this. Let me explain you this as well, if you want. Um, so here is our website, that is Versal's logo, that I donate with the Versal logo, and this is the Versal system design. I have created this. First of all, how it's working. Actually it's working of Versal. How Versal work, and first of all, for before this, I want to tell you what is Versal. What is Versal is a website where you can deploy your websites uh, globally, and anyone can use anyone can watch your website by the URL. Like I have many of the websites. Like this is not on that. Uh, like this. This is the growth mode I have built, and this is deployed on the Versal. Now, what is deployment? Deployment is a thing by which your website can be seen on each and every device. After deployment, you can see that website on any device with the internet. Yep. And Versal provide it for free. And I know if you are saying that if it's free, then it's must have some of the limitations. Yep, it has. Like if you I can show you, it's the websites. As you can see, like I have built many websites and deployed it here. It's free uh, and safe, but if you wanted to create a custom URL, like or domain, that is this Versal.app, as you can see, then for creating the your dynamic domain, it you need to pay. Yep. If you not want to create a custom domain, then it's totally free for you all. If, as you can see, if you and for that, if you want to create a domain, or if you want to buy a domain, then you can also buy a domain on here as well, by creating a domain, by buying a domain, or it's have a process. I have not used this. I will not recommend if you wanted to buying a domain. For buying a domain, I will suggest GoDaddy or use Hostinger. Hostinger is best. I have used that in my freelancing work, and this is my website that I have built. So yes, what I am talking about is this Versal system design. What is system design? It's a flow by in which flow the website is working. It's a flow of that. Before that, is my screen visible? So if you are saying no, it's not visible. Okay. Uh, let me up and tell you again. Open the entire screen. Yep. Now it's correct. Yep. What I am talking about is this. Is now it's visible to you all. This is the system design I have created for Versal, and sorry for the and sorry for the your problem. I not noticed that. See, as you can see, this is the Versal system design I have built, and along with this, I have told till now is about Versal. What is Versal? That as a developer you must know, or as a student, this is a website by which you can deploy your website for free. Yes, it's totally free, but just for your domain you need to buy. And if you not want to buy a domain, then It's your wish, and then it's free. If you know actually why if that's easy to buy or for deployment, then why we use cloud? This type of questions also arise by this. I will resolve that questions, don't worry. Before that, let me show you this virtual design I have built, and what's this virtual design show, and how is this working, how virtual works. I will telling you this, and this will help you, because if you are saying that virtual is easy, or if you use it, then you will say that virtual is so easy, then how can it work, then how is this complex? Actually, we are saying that virtual is easy, just need to uh, give GitHub authorization and choose a repo, and after that it will do everything. But in actual, it's pass through this whole structure. Yep. First of all, your backend. Let's imagine that you have built a backend using Node.js or JavaScript. Then this is your backend. It is running on 9,000. If you want, you can change on all US, but in general it's normally localhost at 3000. So let's do that. After that, your backend to the Docker or AWS ECS, ECR. This is the cloud type thing you use for uh, containerization. What is containerization? If I want to tell you that containerization is nothing but the thing by which your website can be seen on any device, or it's like now. First of all, for this you need to imagine. Let's go here. Let's telling you by this example. Imagine this is a website, okay, um, where you have JavaScript code, but you know that there is not just a code. There is also installation like Node.js. You need to install Node.js for that. Node.js. Uh, no, let's imagine MongoDB. You need to install MongoDB for that. MongoDB Compass or MongoDB servers. Now, if imagine if you want that your device, your website can be shown or on any another device, then it's compulsory that these things also need to be installed on that device, right? If that's right, that you are saying that you for the development, for the deployment, you need to create, or for see this website on any other device, you need to download all that things, or you need to install Node.js on, or MongoDB Compass, or everything that you have used in your code, or you have used for building a website. Then how is that working on your web, on your website or on your device by just a website URL? Can you did you think about this? Let me tell you. First of all, it will, yes, it will be downloaded. Yep. All each and everything is installed on on a virtual device, which you can see if you have used AWS. You need to, for that, if you have used EC2 or S3, then there is a option at when we are creating an instance that uh, what you have to choose, Windows or which type of operating system you have to use, because according to that operating system also it depends. Let's imagine this is operating system. You also need that this same operating system should be here, when you have created, and that same system is here after, in the virtual machine, because only then it will be work. Like writing a code in JavaScript and React is different. Working on Linux and working on my Windows is different thing. On the same way, it's totally different. And for that purpose, you need to create a virtual CPU, or you need to buy a virtual CPU in which a instance, like as you can say it as a instance, a small part of that website. Yep, a small part of a whole operating system is called an instance. It means you are using a small part of the CPU, and in that small part, you have installed MongoDB and this JavaScript and many more things that you have used while creating this website. Now, uh, can it be possible, or how it can be done? For this, you need to create the containers in uh, for which we can use the Dockers for creating containers, images. As I say, it's not my part. I have told you that I will tell you about freelance. I will also tell you about that. I will tell you about everything as I say. But according to me, if you are going to the freelancing work, system design is compulsory. Yep, as I say. Now, why I'm saying this? System design is compulsory because sometimes clients ask that you need to buy a thing, but actually they don't know how it's working. So they say you to build that. But if you but at that time you are thinking that's easy, that can be possible, but you don't know how. For that you must need a system design, that this is the working. And not only for that, one more purpose is there for creating a system design is by showing the system design you can say, tell to your freelance client that by this way your project is working. And by saying this, according to me, the client can imagine how difficult it is and will pay you that you choose. And this is a part, it's your choice actually in the at the time of freelance. But if you do this, it will be beneficial. And sometimes uh, if sometimes the client say it's compulsory, or you have to create a system design, you have to create a design of your website on Figma, then show me, then send to me, and after that it will say that is he wants or not. Now here's we are the that container Docker, it goes Docker build servers using AWS or ECP, or sorry, GCP is also a good choice if you want to use. That is also a good choice. But according to me, AWS is best if you go to for that. DigitalOcean is not um, that much good. And GitHub. Now, if you don't know about GitHub, then according to me, you are not a developer. Yeah, GitHub is a vast thing. This is the GitHub. And I say I will also tell you how to create this type of GitHub profile as well. As you can see, this type of GitHub profile is also very beneficial. Like any HR doesn't know about the coding, some as you know that. But then how it will work? How HR choose the employees that it's a hard worker or it is consistent. Actually, for that, sometimes HRs see GitHub repos, and in GitHub repos, it will go to these contributions. But before this, you have done many work on Git beside the GitHub as well. Then If HR comes here, does the HR knows what you have done and what you know, all of the things? The answer is no. Why? Because HR only knows that is mentioned here. That contributions shows the uh, how consistent you are, and repository shows. I know repository shows that how much you are dedicated. Like this is the repos. I can't show you. This is my portfolio code or some private repos as well. Like this is the private repo. It's on working, but I uh, I am giving you surety by saying that making this type of GitHub profile can help you in HR rounds. How? Because HR don't know how to code and what is this, but HR knows these things and the resume. Yep, resume you must add link also. Yep, in resume it must you must need to add a link of your projects. If the link is not present, remember, if the project link is not present, and HR goes to that, HR doesn't know how is that website work, then sometimes I know that HR will not reject, but it's a plus point if you have that deployed link, and for that Virtual is best. Some more, on renter is also a choice. I have used that as well. On rent is a great choice if you use. This is on render, but on renter gives you only 0. For that, you I will prefer Virtual, and also Netlify as well. Free choice if you wanted to choose. This is that portfolio type thing, and if you want, but for this, remember, it's not totally free. It's have a paid version, so uh, it, I will not say to choose this, because if your website is at inactivity, shows inactivity, then after 15 to 20 minutes the website will there. I will not saying that website will be crash or something, that it will be there, but it stops, and that can create delays. So I will prefer to choose Vercel or Netlify. So then how to create this type of website GitHub profile, and why to choose this? Let me how I have created. Let me tell you each and everything. So at first, for this you have to choose what you have want to add in your GitHub. I know some of you will say GitHub profile readme is also a choice. Profile readme generate is a choice. I'm not saying that this is a bad choice. It's a good, but remember, it's also takes many much time, and it's not that much good. Like I have used this. I've used this in earlier time. It's good. Like many of your project code, your GitHub code will come. GitHub code, like if I have already selected. It's my past one, so it's not that I've used. Just you need to come here after generate. It's come here, and you have the option to back to edit, copy markdown. If you copy markdown, then it will be copied as markdown, and you can copy paste on your GitHub readme like this. Now, why this and how is this profile shows? For showing this here? Actually, GitHub has a feature for that. That is create a new repository. Create a repository by your own name. That is by creating your username. If you create by this way, As you can see, a pop-out has comes here. Goro22 is a special repository that you can use to add a readme.mt to your GitHub profile. Make sure it's a public and initialize it with the readme to get started. As you can see, I have already actually created this, so it will not show. It's saying that, but by that you can create a repo. Like I have created this repo where I have create this readme.mt file, and in this readme.mt my whole code is there. Now let me tell you how is this working. First of all, remember how what you want. Like I want this. Okay, for that I have used the commando.com, for which you just need to add username here, what you want to write in the center, and that will becomes not actually not a actually this that is this actually, sorry. Here what you want to write, like I want to write git Gaurav 22, then I have write it here Gaurav 22. Just need to copy paste and that will be shows there. And also I have added this. For the beginner I will say on GitHub must file readme by. If you don't know, if you don't have time or don't know what to write there, what to do, just come here on this and you can create it. If you want, I will copy paste this in the description as well. It's not a big problem. And choose after filling this, you need to choose this, all of this. Let's I fill this now. After this, what will come? Does this borrow 22 comes? No, this will not come. Then for this I have added custom for portfolio custom and write this. This most of this work will be done, but this for this work you need to add badges. I think I have added, and for breaking this I have entered the anchor tag. This is my Geeks for Geeks website where I have scored 57 rank in the university. If I show you one, wait a second. I don't want to leave actually that thing. Wait. If I go back and click here, let's okay, let's sign in. I can't do anything. It's just emails. Yep. One more thing. Let me tell you after this. As you can see, 57 rank. And if you go, I will show you my all the world rank. I also have a rank of 9161. This is my rank all over the world. Is now the how much is persons comes till now. Let's see, because I wanted the real persons. I mean, not like wasting the time. Only one. Okay, not a problem at all. Now it's a time to reveal how to get freelance work. Before this, please remember to come as many as you can. Please vote. Please write to all of them. Please say to come because This type of thing you will not see at all. And now 40 minutes I have already showed you how what is system design, how is this versal and these things works. Now it's time for freelance and how to get mentorship and all of that things. For freelance, you what how to start. First of all, create a team. Okay, and if you don't have a team, don't worry. uh, just give an idea to me. Yep, create an idea and give to me. Now how to do that? If you are here, you know that I will tell you that I have a Gmail. This is my official Gmail, Gaurav Jindal 86. You need to come here. You need to just mail me. And what to mail? You need to add a not. I am already saying not to tell me whole idea, because you will say that if I will not say you that no, I am not interested, that you will say that I knows your idea, I will leak that. Okay, not want to leak the idea. Okay, that's good, that's best. Just tell me your prototype, or just tell me some things, or like in on which type it is, like it's a commercial, or it's what type of project you have. And if you want, I will create a team, and I will be in your team as well. Not only that, uh, I will get a client for that project as well. If you are saying if you are thinking how can I get a client, I have um, some friends in many types, like some of my friends are in you can say have a good position in MNCs. Also, I got a friends from like this way. If you want it, but if you want to get a client by yourself, I will say you just do one thing. Yep, just do one thing. Like you have an idea of e-commerce type thing or trading type thing. Okay, see, on trading type thing or on e-commerce, which type of companies, or what which person will buy that? The person who wants to create e-commerce, wants to sell anything like or shops who wants to selling their items, wants to buy that. Or NGOs can buy only the thing that can help them to get uh, help to the consumers or to the thing, like many things. Let's uh, imagine you have an idea, like we have that green world, this green world, GWSFED. Like we have this idea. Just for that, you just have to do one thing, that is for that idea, come for that idea, you just need to do one thing. Just try, or just search NGOs on your state, like NGO in Punjab or in India. I am searching an NGO in India, because mostly time these NGOs can only help you, right? Because NGO wants to help. NGO uh, always promote this type of things, so it's easy as a beginner to achieve NGOs, or to achieve direct shops. Like search those shops on your Google, on your state or on your city, and uh, call them and say, I want to create a website for you. Or I have say that you have a shop, and you are and did you want to sell your items in the like Amazon, like selling item on Amazon? And if you want, I can create a website for you. My team will create you, and that at this price. And if you want to any another features or your idea, express that. Because mostly time nowadays the shops and persons are thinking to go to live or to go to web, and by this you can do that. Like now what I'm saying, that go to NGOs in India, like this NGOs has been comes. Like now I am going to this top 10 NGOs. Just go in top 10. I got wins like okay. Now what to do? Here you can see that you can get a email of goons.org, mail@goons.org. You need to create a email on this, send an email on this. Now what to send? Is I need to send my whole idea? No, never send your whole idea to the client if you are direct trying that is the person choose your idea or not. Remember that, because then NGO has if you are thinking like you are you tell all your idea on the email, okay, and you also tell your budget, and NGO got any another person who can create your same idea, same project, but on less price, then it will say you like, no, I am not interested, and it will try it by that person. So that's it's not a good thing for you. This is the wounds.org. Just do that, and if you want, you can choose. It's your choice, actually. As I say, just go and mail. Now, um, you are thinking, is that mail has any template, or is I got can I get any template by using that? I get more chances, get more chances to get a better chance, or get more chances to get select of your idea. Yep, that has. But remember, each and every project has its own template, or has its own template, or your own email can be always better than any template. Yep. Now what to do? Just you need to do one thing. Go to mail, or go to ChatGPT. AI is everywhere. So why to get any template if your AI can do? And for email, I will say that chat this Mr. If this email you not like, go to Google AI, the AI Studio. Here is that website, and in this website you can see the chat and stream option. And by the way, here you can use Gemini 2.5 Pro for free. Yep. Now, if you are thinking, yep, it has limits, but you can use that. And is this model good? How to check this? Which model is good in which purpose? For that, Arena has come. Arena LLM leaderboard has come, which is a leaderboard for LM Arena for LLMs. That is LM Arena.ai. Let's verify. Let's please verify it first. It's taking that much time. Uh, I guess so. Due to this live streaming, it's not allowing me to the configuration. It's working actually. It's already working. Oh, okay. It's done. It's done. Ah, what is this? Why is not completed? One more time. Let's leave it. Let's leave it because it will. It's taking a lot of time. So let's leave it and again do it one more time. Let's try with LM Arena, one of the one and only leaderboard of all LLMs. It rate each and every LLM. Finally, finally. Here it is leaderboard. As you can see, now which model is best for which purpose you are thinking. For texting, like for writing emails and many or for asking like what is write a paragraph on this topic on that topic. For that purpose, Gemini 2.5 Pro is best model, and on second ChatGPT o3 this model has comes. But at the top, Gemini 2.5 Pro in web dev यानी कि in coding purposes, Gemini 2.5 Pro is the best model. If you are see in vision, in that way also Gemini 2.5 Pro is the best model. In searching like in web working also Gemini 2.5 Pro is the best model at the end. After that Copilot and text to image is in that Imagine is in second and ChatGPT is on first. In copiloting work, Copilot, DeepSeek is at first. Image editing, all as we all know that imaging work ChatGPT is always at first. Did you remember that doing your photo to that nonsense thing? Yeah, that's why image editing work is best to say by the ChatGPT Image 1 model. 2.5 model is always best model in creating, writing, maths, coding, all the word, multi-turn. See, each and every model is here. Each and every model. And you say that why I am saying the then this Mr. if it's not in the top because it's not at the top for in Copilot and many more things. It's most fastest AI I have ever seen. Like if I say hello, can not only that, it can also do one more thing. Like let's do it that in front of you all. Uh, let's do this. Go to this, copy this, and come here and paste this. Okay. Go to this website and go to this website and let tell me everything that you come to know about this. See. See, it's opening this page. It can open any web page. As you can see, GitHub profile of Goro 22, showing the skills. Email, it catch the email as well. Current work, if you will say it's current working related to MCP, like your multi-purpose payment systems or similar. I doesn't know actually what is MCP. MCP has many full forms. Okay. Skills. It also catch my skills as well. In languages it catches C, C++, C hash, Java, JavaScript, Python, TypeScript. Yep, it's all, they all are correct. I know C hash, I know Java, I know JavaScript. These all skills are correct. And for C hash, I have learned from the Microsoft as well. If you don't know, I want to tell you all. In front end skills, it catches that I know HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, React, Redux, SAS, Tailwind, CSS, Angular, Svelte. Yup, and this also it's correct. In backend, Node.js, Express.js, Django, Flask, .NET. Yup. Databases, Microsoft SQL Server, SQLite, Redis, PostgreSQL, Oracle, बिल्कुल सही. DevOps, Docker, बिल्कुल सही. React Native, yep, I know React Native. I have learned that. Machine learning, see, another tools also it has got. It not only that, by this it has also catches my LinkedIn profile and my lead code profile as well. Let's see. Yep, see, it has catched everything from that website, and in that fast way. It also catches my Instagram. How is this possible, by the way? I think so. I am never entered. See, I don't put my Instagram. Yeah, okay, I guess so. From here, it has sketches. See how good it is. Analytics, GitHub Analytics. The profile includes various GitHub statistics. So this is the best chatbot if you want to you do web wanted to do any web scraping work to just comparing. Let's compare also. Let's compare two profiles. From which profile? Let's no. Any one of you are excited to tell your own? Not. Let's forget this one. Okay. See, I'm very excited actually. I didn't know actually. I have never tried actually. If you are saying that I have already tried these things, no, it's also my first time. But I know that it can do one thing, that is web scraping. It has done all of these things by web scraping. Now, you how it can help? It can help in many purposes, like creating your website, creating and researching. That can help you in freelancing work as well. Okay. Now, by this you can also suggest. By this you can also take help from this for uh, create a impressive GitHub and all of that things. Now it's time to reveal one more excited thing. Yep, you heard right. I've never leaked this thing till now. Let's tell you this. I have created a fantastic website for you all. Take some time. Let it. return. I've never actually for till now I have not deployed it. But if you all want, only then I will deploy this. If you don't, I will not. And I also want to tell you that this is a website that I have built in a single night, not in a single day. I have built this in a single night. So you can see it's that good thing. I have built it in a single night. I am again saying you, it's in a single night. Let it be done. Please do this fast. Oh, fine, it's done. Now I will show you how it works by giving my own interview. Yep, it's an interview website. Knows about me that I have already created an interview website, and why I have created this because uh, that website also bug is present. That is, it's that website gives uh, feedback after the mock interview is over, and it's feeling with that you are creating giving interview to a AI, but in this you will feel like you are giving a actual interview. Yeah, it's feel you will feel that you are giving an actual interview. The AI has a real person voice for which I have done many things. Let me show you. Compiled. According to this, it's the website is already compiled. Get to the uh, is why is this crashing or taking that much time? Let's close all of this. Wait a second. 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 Yep, I am also thinking to build a team as well. A new team for freelance if you want. Actually, I wanted to. If you want only then I will do this. All the things is on your side. All the things is. Wait. I have not. One second. I am thinking I have done this. Isn't it? Isn't this completed? Wait for this. Okay. It will take some time. I guess so. Oh, it's done. Okay, it's done. It's done. It's done. Let's check done also. Ah, it's done. Now come here and do this. I have created some proceeding. As you can see, signed in successfully. Now what's the problem? But according to me, I have done that. You can see. Wait. Let's do this again. Let's create one more. I guess I not create one more. It will take some time. Till that, I wanted to tell you what is this website. Okay. Till that time, let's do one thing. Let's tell you how to get uh, internship from in MERN or in your field in which you want by the MNCs like I got from Microsoft. Yep, I will now tell you all about that. This is wait here. As a tier 2 or tier 3, I will prefer to go here. No need to just let me tell you about the website only. Just want oh the internet. Yep. Here you can after AICT internship you will come here, and here you can see that internships are as India as Pani Puri. The funny title or the funny line the this websites has been created. Here you can see that many of the associations are giving the internships. Like if you go here, you can see that Azure Foundation gives internship in IBM, Microsoft Shell. I'm already telling you that all the things I am telling you is I've never give sponsorship. It's not sponsored any of these things, any of the websites I am telling you. None of them is sponsored. It's my own uh, experience I have taken while working. As you can see, this internship now. See, it's internship. These internships are good if you want, like artificial intelligence, and you want to upskill yourself in artificial intelligence. Then this internship is best. If you want to upskill yourself front end, then I want to tell you now in live IBM skill build. Yani direct IBM is providing the internship in front end web as well. Now, how to do the take this advantage? Go here and read the requirements if you want. As you can see, there are many type of requirements is there, and the one more feature is comes. Anvadina Ani AI translation tool. Tap the change language and view content. As you can, oh, this thing, and this is not any AI tool actually. This is not a AI tool. This is just language changing tool. Here you go. Just let's forget it. And this is the program that is doing by IBM. And now in this web, what you need to do? I have already done that. Let me show you that as well. What I have done. But so website URL. Okay. Uh, where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Why is not coming right now? According to me, it starts comes till now. Oh, no, not this. Actually, I have taken the website. I guess I forget the link. Okay, let's forget to let me tell you what it will be doing. It's giving the internships to BTech, VCMC, and what's in this website? It will check your profile or your AICT profile, and after checking that profile, uh, you get a website URL, a website. credential in which you need to attend, mark your attendance for a month or for 6 weeks. Here, this you need to do that for 6 weeks for the weekdays, and in that weekdays you have not, you will say, just need to attend mark the attendance. No, you need to attend their classes, and after the class ended, you need to mark your attendance. Only after the class is completed, and in that 6 weeks, it will guide you by telling you everything, and you need to create a project in that field. Like it's a front end, then it will give you project ideas from them. Like it will give you three project ideas in from that three project ideas, you need to buy one of them, or not need to buy, actually need to build one of them. And after 1 month or 6 weeks, your website will be, uh, you need to submit that website, and after that you will get that certificate, and you will be experienced by the IBM, and you will get that certificate certified. Finally, it's done. uh, Fine, it has completed. Now let me show you this website working. If I go here, I guess so, it's not allowing me. Why? Okay, it's not allowing me because of this live streaming, and in live streaming, uh, and at the same time I can't do two things: live stream and calling with them. But I want to tell you that it has a calling system. I will let's show you then the video I have created for this. Oh, finally it's done. And taking some time. Now, after clicking this call, a call will be placed with the AI. Now I will give this interview. It's around for 10 minutes. So please wait and only listen how AI is taking my interview. Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Gaurav. I am pursuing BECSC from Chitkara University, Punjab. I am studying in third year from in here, and I have also worked in a freelance project as well. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, stack is a Yes, ma'am. Stack is a way you where LIFO is followed. Now, what is LIFO? Last in, first out. In here, you can imagine. You can take an example of dish plates. You are keeping a dish plate in upper to another, like, or you kept a dish plate uh, in a line. You can say you have kept and another dish plate on the upside of that dish plate. That mean in that way you can say that it's a stack. And in queue, you can imagine a line. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes, yes, ma'am. In the stack, we can take. Let's take an example. The example is of uh, capting a displays. In capting a displays, we can say it's a followed stack. And as you already say, in while we you in a line for taking any reward or taking a ticket, movie ticket. In that time, first in first out is coming. Like that means queue. No, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please explain me then what's all of these things that you have taught? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for this, I will create a variable max and assign that variable the first variable in of that array. And after that, I will create a loop from second index to the last index. That is that we can imagine as an and check is that variable that max variable is less than the uh, another that is in that elements array in the elements variables, and if it is, then I will change the uh, this max variable with that element or with that number, and by that way I will get the maximum element. And if you want to any optimal approach, you can just do one thing by using. Ma'am, can you please elaborate how can I improve myself? Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Guys, have you seen how wonderful this AI is? In this AI, while this interview, is there any time that you are thinking is that that the AI is speaking? According to me, this the voice of the AI is not like any AI. It's like a real person is speaking to you, and all the way it's speaking, it's saying each and everything is like a professional, you can say a professional mock interviewer is saying or doing. For now, I have set it the simple questions, and actually, I have not set it. All the questions are random, or I am not giving them the list as well. AI all generating the question by its own and asking me one by one, and also giving me feedback one by one according to me, and I can also uh, talk with them like any real person, and it's a really a very good thing according to me. Isn't it amazing? And if you want this, I want to give a like. If you not want, actually, I like why I'm saying like I am not any uh, hungry of these likes and subscribers. If you want, you can just unsubscribe, because my aim is not to create a YouTube channel. I will aim you just do one thing. As much persons can come, must come. Yep, it's only and only the way I wanted, the thing I wanted. Besides this, doesn't want anything. Really, I doesn't want anything. Now let me know what you are seeing. Is there anything left from my agenda? In my agenda, my agenda is to tell you about how to get freelance clients. That I have already told you. You can get the freelance clients by just do one thing. That thing is create your idea and approach to persons or NGOs. If you want to approach NGO, then go to their website. You contact with using their email and send your prototype, not the idea, not the whole website or idea, just a prototype. And if you are talking about this interview type helping, I've already told you this. If you want to, if you have any recent interviews in the future, like after 2 to 3 days or after a week, then you can use this. I will prefer to use this because this can help you. As you can see how interesting this website is, I already told you. Okay. Now what to what is left in my agenda? I have already told you how to get a now. Yep, about LinkedIn. About LinkedIn. Now, if you are saying I have not told you about how to get mentorship, as I say, the mentorship is when a large amount, around more than 80% will come only. Then some of you will got, but due to none of the crowd has not comes, the this thing is not possible. As I promised, I will do this if a large amount of people comes. You already know if 1 to 3 are coming or 5 7 are coming, then it's not a good thing for me. I am already doing many things. It's hard to me as well. So please try that as much persons can come must be come here. This is the way how you can do make your website your this thing. See, posting always be active. Activeness is also a key. I have do this, but none of them has responded. I am thinking that person will come, but mm, you are not coming. Actually, I am also planning for doing one thing, that is create a website during this live stream or in Google Meet as well from the next week. But there is not crowd, so I will not do that now. Now, if you are saying, ah, take care, there are a lot of persons that are doing code with that or Apna college. We know that, but the thing is, the project I have ideas. I will say you or tell you all now. For this, you know the skills you need. You have must comes here always. It's all on yours actually. Now, what can I say on this? Okay, the main thing that I promised. Let me now do that and tell you all about that. The project ideas. Now imagine you are creating a project. You want to create a project, but you not have idea. Like I'm saying you to create a project and send it to NGOs or the NGOs with the like a prototype. Now how to create an idea? Bro, I don't have an idea. Then can I can't do freelancing? You can if person comes to you with your with their idea, but if you want to approach or take approach to anyone, then you must have an idea, and for that I will help you. The ideas that will help you all. uh, First idea. Now you always see say that this idea is so common, that is a Jarvis AI. Let me do this here. uh, okay, the first idea is the Jarvis AI. Now, it's not like a common Jarvis or normal chatbot type thing. It's like a new era. Let me show you a website. Imagine a website. Okay. Now, what this website do? It can do a lot of things like a chatbot type thing, a chatbot. No, let's move it. Discard chatbot. Okay, like a chatbot from OpenAI or Gemini. that can tell you everything or anything. One AI agent is any AI agent type. Let's go with MC then. Okay, then AI agent में कुछ नहीं होगा. Okay, agent. Please wait a second. Charging is low of my device. I forget. Okay. Well, now see. A AI agent. Now what can that AI agent can do? Let's build AI agent. Jarvis, right, that has AI agent that can do any web work. Like you want to buy an iPhone, you have entered. I want go to Amazon or go to web and buy me a iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it will by themselves. How interesting it is! You need to create. Not only that, create do any work on your PC. Like you want to create a front end or a website, make a website in Mon. You just haven't create a website in Mon, and it will create for you. How interesting it is! This type of Jarvis. No, not say it as Jarvis actually. Why to make this name which is so common now? Let's keep the name GoChat. It's like GoChat, the thing that can, which can do anything by just doing chat. Just by just chat, no. Then uh, just chat. Yep. What's the name? Just chat. That has a agent that can do anything, any web work, any do any work on your PC, like creating a web project, like imagine a e-commerce web project, e-commerce website. You just enter create an e-commerce website, it will create. You say create a Figma uh, of that project as well, and it will create that as well for you. How interesting it is! You have just do one thing. You just go and say make an e-commerce website with its Figma design as well on your Figma, and it done all of that things for you. How interesting it is! If I got yep, I am setting a high target, but by that only I come to know that you are interesting for this. If I got 100 likes or 100 subscribers after this within a month, only then I will ready to make this. That is a agent that can do any web work, any e-commerce, make any project by just typing. Like Google client, you will say Google client is also there, but can it can't do web work or can't make a Figma project. Figma. I am saying it can do web work, it can do e-commerce, make the e-commerce type website by just saying create an e-commerce website, or create a project by just typing your idea, or create a Figma project Figma पे project बनाते कह दिया, like create a Figma design of that e-commerce website. It will done. If you are a Blender user, you say create a park scene on Blender, and it creates a park scene on Blender. It done by you. Now let's imagine Adobe. You say create an image. Adobe AI has ability to create image, I think so. And you say to create image, or you have an image, you put that link, or put that image to a LM and say edit this image by this things, and it that work is done. Adobe work anymore. Let's think uh, any extension. You want to create an extension, create an extension, and that it will be done in just a second. How wonderful it is. Now imagine you want to create a project. No, project has been done. Just chat. It will do anything. Uh, you want to send a message. Send a message or email to your any uh, you can say any client or any person, any friend. You want to send a message. Just say create. Send this message to this. It will send that. You say create an email and send that to my manager, or to send that email to your client, so that client come to know, or automate your email, like an email has comes, and automatically one email will send to them that okay, I will what to that, or what's the answer of the email, like one client has comes by their idea, can you buy make this project, and it will say yes, I will make this project for you by a professional email template. It will send that, and you got all of that thing in a single dashboard. All of the task it has done, or all of the emails it has sent, or you have got in a single. Because after sending if AI sends if AI automates your every task, then you come to know what task AI has done, so that you can track all of them. So dashboard for that. This project has you can't see anywhere. It's my promise. If you see this project in your future, in the after 10 years as well, you will never see, because till now it's like impossible. Person are making these small things, but not making this big project. And if I got 100 subscribers or 100 likes, any of this I will build in front of you, in a live stream or in a Google Meet, in which you want. If you want that you want to build this with me, then I will do this repo open source. Then come, make changes, if and I will do merge that change as well, and this you can take as your project as well. If you don't want, If you want, like you want to make this project as your own, this is first idea that I have given. If you are thinking this is a bad or this is not that much easy hard, or then try to build this. It's a good idea as a friend, as a beginner. Come and see. I'm already telling you that this is a good idea. I will not telling you any bad idea, right? Okay. Now it's time to do uh, to reveal my second idea, second project idea. As I promised, I will tell you many ideas that I know I can tell you. I will tell you as I promised. Okay then. So our second idea is this is the just chat that where you just need to do chat and your each and every work will be done. How easy it is, isn't it? Okay then. One project for students. Create a website. Name it as Skill Enhancer. A website where student can come get he don't know how to get the मतलब कि roadmaps, get roadmaps like roadmap.sh, .sh, and also can create their own roadmap as well. Allow user to create their own roadmap. Also give ability to mark as done in that. It's a roadmap feature, not that. After that, give option give users ideas of projects and AI that can track their progress and give you a link. Like you have created a as a student, you have created a your profile, and after creating a profile you get a link after by which link, if you paste that link in any LLM like cursor or pipe like Claude, then that LLM give you a whole can get track of your whole ideas whole thing that you know. And after you by using that, you can also get uh, you can say assistance from that AI as well. Like you have to like see, you are want to build a you want to be a full stack developer, and you have done React, okay, and you are after creating a profile on this, you have done React, and on your profile that URL that you got at the starting, that URL is updating after every progress, and it tracks that you have done React. And after tracks, it will recommend you. You can go to a ChatGPT and say, "This is my website. Use this URL and get the info." And using that info, uh, give me the ideas. Give me the ideas of projects. It will see how good you are in that skill, and using that, you will get vast ideas. And will say, I can just to go with ChatGPT and say, I know React, give me project ideas. No, because it's far better than that, because You don't you imagine you know many things, and you want to build a project, you want to take an idea from for a project, then ChatGPT can help you with that. But for that you need to tell him about everything that you know, like you know React at this much, you know Node.js, you know Django, Flask, blah blah blah, and after that you come to know. Isn't it boring? You but by this you get a link. You just need to paste the link and say this is use this link. Let me know which project ideas or which companies I need to fill for get job, and exam meaning that it will say you are a good full stack and a front end developer. You can fill it. You can go with these internships or go to apply, or you can apply in this type of job roles in these companies. There is a chance, a better chance to get placed. Isn't it amazing? So it's that I am saying you. This type of project you will never see in your future. So that's why I'm saying you. Please just give me 100 likes, 100 likes, or 100 subscribers. I know 100 likes and or 100 subscribers. It's like impossible. But if I got this, I will build this project in Google Meet or in a live stream, and according to me it will take around 2 months to 3 months because it's a very big idea. But after 3 months you are in heaven, amazing project that can that you can add in your resume and have a best, or this is the best project ever. You can't see this project idea in any of the IITN as well. This project is that good. This both of the projects. Just chat. You have just chat and whole the work is done. This is best for developers because for developers most of the work is like uh, far difficult. Just go here, then go there, do this, and after bugs, but just leave it, or spend around 7 hours, 8 hours on a single bug. After that, come to know there's only a small line mistake because of which you got an error. Isn't it frustrating? Then that frustration can be removed by the first idea, that is just chat, that can help you, but it can't catch the bug. And for that I have an third idea, that is bug tracker and fixer. Now what is this? It's a npm package, and if you npm package and python package, both of the packages I will build. I know Node.js, I know Python, so I will build both of the website packages. I will not build any single npm or any Python. I will build both, and by this, how it will work? It will see the bug in the console, and after seeing that bug, it will run automatically by Gemini or by OpenAI and fix that bug using that automatically. No need to go to ChatGPT. No need to tell them fix this. It tries again and again. And if you want, You can do one more thing, create a VS Code extension as well. If you want, we can create a VS Code extension. I will build and help you all. A fantastic idea. We create a VS Code extension that can do directly bug tracker and fixer. Just like you have entered, create uh, in C++. Have entered include IO stream dot h and forget to add enter hashtag before it. That causing an error. I know as a good developer you will not do this type of mistakes, but imagine any mistake has been comes and you it's impossible for you to solve that. But due to this package, it's tracked that yep, here's the error. Okay, now let's fix it. After an error, a button comes, a option comes in the console. Do you want to fix by an AI? You entered yes, why, an extension. If any bug tracks, then it say why, and you just need to enter why. And after entering it, enter, it will start solving by that bug by its own. Not need to do anything. No need. It will fix by its own. Isn't it amazing idea? One more idea. Fourth idea. This idea is wonderful. As you know, actually this is not any idea. This is the best thing that can help you all. Like a person has built a package in Node.js, right? Like I have built a package in Node.js and I want to run that package in Python. Is that possible? I wanted to I have a Node.js package and I wanted to run this package in Python. Fourth idea, run a npm package in Python or run Python package in npm. Is this possible till now? No, but by the but after me, I will help you, and we will build this. If you are thinking this is a small idea, if it's a small idea, then it must be done. But it's not. None of the website has built. None of the companies like Google or Microsoft hasn't built this. Why? Is it that difficult, or is it that easy, or uh, unimportant? No, it's important thing because if it's done, then value of Node.js developer also can increase because a Node.js worker can also do all the work that and not the all 80 to 90% work that an Python worker can do because all the libraries of Python can run in npm. It's the most difficult idea I have given to you all. If you want any simple ideas, you want to just start and without taking help from me or without this, then I will give you one more idea. Fifth idea for beginner. This is beginner idea. Just leave it. Why it is not done? Fifth idea for beginner. Now what? is this idea: create a website that can do one thing. That Let's me show you. That is Uptimer. This is free website monitoring service. Like if you know on render, I have already told you that on render has a very wrong thing that it can't do. It will in due to inactivity of 15 minutes, it will create a delay on your website, on the client's website, that can cause difficulty for the client. And for that, you can create this. It will not only uh, uptime, I mean to say, it will examine that how is, you can say, how many persons are watching or how many persons are using that video website, like this type of dashboard. And also see, is that server down, is the server down. If it is, it will also see and let you know that by an email. Imagine a imagine your website is crashed, but you don't know about that website is crashed, and you leave that website. What will be then what will happen? Your client or your users will be affected, and for that, uptimer is a good idea. Uptimer, what it can do, it will monitor your website. And if it's crashed, it will mail you. Not only that, one more with feature. Here it is, like uh, you have set a route, and you want that on render, uh, due to inactivity, it will stop create delay. And for that, you can create a feature on here, that is do API routing. It means API routing means user need to and send a give you user will give you a URL, and by that URL you will do what after every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes, you will call that API from there. This you will call that, and due to that, the on render service stop on that on render stop service after every 15 minutes due to activity of the on that API. The on render will not uh, see that as inactivity and will not create delays, and that will help you. So it's wonderful idea. Always think unique. AI, now you are saying how this type of ideas comes to my mind, because you know that AI can't help this, because if you go to AI and say, give me any full stack idea, project idea, it will say you e-commerce, create e-commerce, create a chatbot or small things. But these ideas are the best. So as I say, each and every task has been fulfilled. I have said that I will give you, guide you. I have already guided. I have said and I have done. I say, "Okay, I will guide you," and I have guided. I say I will help you in giving project ideas, and I have helped you by giving as much project ideas I know. So it's done. Now, if there is any type of help you want, any type of ideas, then let me know. Okay then, be cool. Always remembers the past can't be your future and your present is your future. पास्ट फ्यूचर नहीं है, प्रेजेंट ही फ्यूचर है. जो तुम अब करोगे वही होगा. Now if you all are thinking why I have started this, why I am helping you uh, as a college student, and if I know this much and I can just apply and get a job, I my aim is not to become an engineer as most of the engineers. My aim is to help persons. My aim is to become a doctor, and now I have engineers. So I know that after 6 months, companies come and I will apply there. Before that, I wanted that to help students or help persons who want it. So I did do this, and I'm already saying, if you want any type of help from my side, just mail me. Or if you want my phone number, I will give you. It's also in my. I will set that in my YouTube channel as well. Contact me. Uh, I will help you in every way. It's my promise. But remember, always upskill yourself because AI has comes. I am an engineer. I am not saying that AI can't help you. AI can help you, but remember, AI is also not a danger. Most of you are, if you are thinking that AI take your job, take front end job, take full stack job, take back end job, AI can't take the job. The person who knows the AI will only can take your job. But it doesn't means that create a project by an AI. Many of my friends are there that is creating a project by AI, and I know that's not any bad idea. It's a good if you are creating a project. That's also a good idea. It's a upskilling idea, upskilling yourself. But the thing is, there's two things actually. One is creating a project by your own, by which you know how to fix bugs, how to uh, handle bugs, how to create projects, and if you create by AI build that uh, for you and without any error, then it can be done, not a problem. But the thing is, you can read. That's also easy. By reading you come to know about the idea, about the project. Can read and get everything about the project. But the thing is, you not come to know one thing, that is how to create a project, how to handle errors. Handling errors is the most important thing. Always remember, if you can't handle an error, you can't be placed as good AML or any developer or any engineer. If anybody is saying just do this course and you will be a good developer, good front end developer, good back end developer, always say it. It's not possible. I'm already saying you. If you are, because it's not possible by a just a course or by just spending time to a project that it's done. The main thing is to create a project by its own, because by creating a project you will learn everything. Now, how to learn? If you want this thing, the best way to learn is, like, if you want to create React, or if you want to learn React, okay, firstly learn basics. If you want to learn basics, uh, I will prefer docs are best. Yep, docs are best. And after that, YouTube has everything. Okay, not need to buy anything. I'm already saying you, no need to buy. and course everything. After this, just go to YouTube and see any project ideas. No, not any. Actually, I'm saying wrong. See any project that is building in the YouTube video. In YouTube video, you got several videos in which person is creating a project. See that, not build it. Remember, not build that project ever. Just see and see. Okay, how to do that by this? How to do that by this? After watching whole video, not the same project, create any different project by your own. If you face any difficulty, go to AI. I'm not saying go to no, not go to AI. First of all, go to docs and try to solve by that. If you can't solve that, go to AI. Say normally say I have getting this error. Uh, Now tell me what is this error and how can I solve this without telling the code of solving after solving the error. AI will not giving you the code. Remember, never take code from the AI. Only takes if you are frustrated, that's good thing actually. Because the person who work hard, who spend hours in debugging, only that person is frustrated in coding. If you use AI, using an AI, go there, will not be frustration, will not get you in frustration. I, I am no, I know from prompting, I know how to create projects by ChatGPT by as well, but I am not doing that. The main purpose of all of that is because if I do that, I don't know how to create a project by my own, and that is important thing for if you want to do freelancing in future. I know that most of the work is can be done by AI, but not all, and this can be possible that if you do and uh, just imagine you your each and every task can be done by an AI. Is that good? Is that good? No, that is a danger. Build yourself like a person which can do that things that none of the AI can do. If you know AI is good in coding, we say, but if you ask any coding question like DSA question, it can't help. AI can't help. In DSA, AI can't help. And if you are taking help from AI, it if you want to take help from it will give you answers. If you are saying I have going to AI and it tells me the answer and it's working, then why how I am saying that it can't help you in DSA? It can help in easy questions, can't help you in hard ones. And in MNCs, you need to solve hard problems. So, what to do? Just do one simple thing. There is your in DSC time, that is data structures and algorithm, you're facing errors. Go to ChatGPT. This not send your code, just send the error and say this is an error. Solve it. And not actually most of time the mostly developers facing errors in DSA is TLE. I'm also it's not like most of I also faced it. For that I will say use small things like uh, go to ChatGPT, go to AI, paste a question, just go and say what is this question saying, summarize the question, uh, let me know the idea the stacks I can use, like what can I use, hash can I use map by as we all know that actually a good DSA, or if you are a good developer, you by reading the question, you come to know by reading the question that it's a best, it's you can use that, you can use and in this hash maps or stuff use. If you come to know the idea, then just do by your own, not to by ChatGPT ever. If you do that, I am guaranteeing you it's wastage of time, because you can read the solution. You come to know that yes, by this approach, the work has done, but creating that approach is impossible for you. Yep. Creating the approach is impossible. So please imagine, please read the question and do that coding question by your own. Never go to AI. Never go to anywhere. Go anywhere. Yep. And the other thing that in the essay I am actually copy pasting the solutions because I wanted to make a streak, or I wanted to as much questions on lead code as I can, because companies watch that. Companies not watch that much, because comp- uh, we all knows mostly students, not most, I can't say mostly, everyone doing copy pasting at the time of DSA on lead code for increasing the number of questions, and that's why companies don't have values of that. Company have value to the contest you played. So I am saying, imagine and read uh, their situations. Each as a developer, I am thinking that each and every person needs to think in all the ways. If you are building any website, if you are building any product, if you are doing any DSA question, just uh, imagine each and every test case, or imagine each and every situation. In DSA, you know, each and every situation, imagining each and every situation is how much important, how much crucial to run each and every test case. And in and if some of you will say, does it depends for development as well? Yep. If you not imagine each and every test case, each and every situation, then DSA is wastage actually. Why we do DSA actually? We do DSA for learn for problem solving. And actually, it's just a one reason, not the whole reason of doing DSA is problem solving. The main purpose of DSA is to uh, make our mind at that much that we can uh, think each and every situation. And if we not think, like imagine I am creating a website and I have created a sign up in which by email and password you can create a account. Okay, just imagine. Okay, now any hacker comes, any hacker or any person comes, you are actually verifying that. Okay, you are verifying that is the person verified, or by OTP of the email you have sent. Person comes, that person has a sign up, and at a time of and in email it enters any email of their own, like abc@gmail.com. And after creating project, we have sent the email OTP on that email, but ABC is not present, and it has go back, and on login it go to login, and in login it directly enters abc@gmail.com, and in the password enters 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 8, and you come to know and the person and the user come to know that, or the hacker come to know that it can directly go to sign in without verifying, without verification also. It's possible for the user to verify itself. Then is that helpful? Are you thinking if as a developer you don't think that situation, then hacker will take the situation. And for that purposes, we all say testing is must before deployment. In the before deployment, there is three. Actually, there are three types. For in first three steps. In first step, we will build a project. In second step, we test the project. We test the product. And in third project, we deploy. We make that public for the each and every person of to that project. Before testing, never deploy. If you no test, your project will be हो गया टाटा बाय बाय. That's why I'm saying just think each and every situation. And if you are thinking DSA is important, a number of questions it must be higher as you can. I wanted to say, yep, it's important to have as much questions, but I know many of the students who have played, many of the friends who have placed in MNCs as well and have only around 150 to 200 questions. How is this possible? Well, बल्कि some of मेरे कुछ friends ऐसे हैं. Some of my friends are that who have done around 1,000 questions on lead code, 800 questions on lead code, but can't we get a job? You also know that many of this type of persons are there. Then is number of questions bends? No, no one cares about you have done 1,000 questions. No one cares about you have done 100 questions of one question. The person depends is that have you done the coding? Have you know how to solve the problem? Number of questions, how to the interviewer, the company wants to know by DSA is you know how to solve a problem. Is you know that, and if you know that, company will never reject you. Company never see that this person has done only 100 questions, that this person has done 1,000 questions. Imagine two persons are there, one has done 100 questions and one has done 1,000 questions. According to you, I can say that you will say that thousand the person has done 1,000 questions, then the person is knows more than the 100 questions. Right. I will also say this. But the thing is, at the time of interview interviewer asks 3 to 4 questions. Okay. And in the 3 to 4 questions, interview comes to know that the person who has done only 100 questions are able to solve the problems, solve that questions. But the person who has done 1,000 questions I can't be able to solve the simple hash map or mapping question or a simple stack doesn't know how to implement stack in an array or in an lead code. Then does it helpful? I, I'm saying yep, create as much as question as you can, but only increasing the number of questions will only leads to unemployment. Always remember to buy your own. After I'm not saying I have not done that. More I have even copied at a time. I'm also saying I have also copied some questions. If I show you my Codolio account, let me show you that as well. I never cares about that actually. I never about that actually. Let me show you my Codolio account. Now, if you don't know about the Codolio, then I wanted to tell you that Codolio is a platform uh, where you can do track your each and every platform, coding platform, where you are doing the DSA like Lead Code, Code Studio, Geeks for Geeks, Interview Bit, And code forces, see code forces also here, and also it uh, gives you the rank, which first is the C score, that is the Cordelier score that Cordelier gives you by them. This is the code forces, and oh, there are many things. It's code forces actually, and here's my. If I show you my total number of questions, then I have done totally 1170 questions, and in that I'm admitting that in this 1170 questions, around 300 questions. Yep, 300 questions I have not done by my own. But all of uh, besides that 300 questions, other questions are done by my own. Yep, I'm admitting that 300 questions are not done by me. Now, how I done and why I have not done that questions? I have not done that questions because I am frustrated at a time of doing the question. After spending 4 hours, 5 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, if a question not be done, I am frustrated. And at that time, at the starting, I copy paste. And or not on the actually at the starting, uh, as you all, I also show follows the sheets like strivers, and in that I come to know that uh, okay, that's good, but I can't be able to solve a problem. And if I can't be able to solve a problem, then how can it possible for me to do anything? How it can be possible to get a job if I don't know how to solve a problem? So, it's my live stream ended now. If you have any question, I am just saying reach out me. My mail, if you want my mail, uh, in the video I have already said that, but in my YouTube channel, in description you will get, and also I will set my phone number there as well. Peter. Don't worry. If you want, you can contact me. If you want to build a team, and you want to make a team with me for any hackathon or any freelance project, I will also do that. I will build a team. If you want to a project line, but you don't have idea, just contact me. I will help you. I will contact how much persons I know and try to create a client for you, or to bring by bringing client for you. And also in creating a website, I am also happy. And if you want to if you want suffering in creating your own project, then also you can contact me. I will help you in that as well. Always get me as your bro or anything. I never cares. I am like your bro, छोटा भाई बड़ा भाई कैसे मर्जी कहो, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. So here it is. Let's end up this live stream now. Goodbye, guys.